Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar, your research mentor. Today I will explain how to conduct process coding in your qualitative research project. What is process coding? Process coding belongs to first cycle coding method. In this coding, the researcher highlights an action presented in the qualitative data. Typically, gerunds are used as codes to indicate actions reflected in data. Process coding is used in combination with other coding techniques, like in vivo technique. It cannot be used as a standalone coding method. When to use process coding? Whenever you are interested to study what people are doing, or you want to know habits of people, or you want to capture sequence of events, then you will use process coding in your qualitative project. Now I will explain the process of this process coding with an example. This is the excerpt from a qualitative project and you can read it here. Well, now we will code it using the process coding. I bear witness, majority of teachers don't cover the course plan. So I've highlighted this cover the course plan. It's always the headlines. That's it. Very minimal details. Sometimes in exams things come we never heard of. You have to open that 600-page book. You need to read whole thing in order to know. So I have highlighted open that 600-page book. You need to read. It's okay if you read, but for those who don't read, they lack details to answer certain questions. Yes, sometimes class is delayed 30 minutes, 5, 10 minutes, sometimes it's early too. For this excerpt, I am reporting 3 process code. One is covering course plan, second is reading books, and third is delaying classes. You may observe that covering, reading, and delaying are gerunds used here in the process coding. I hope now it's very easy for you guys to understand what is process coding and how you can conduct the process coding. Thank you very much for attending me today.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmess.com and get your work published.